As you can see, I got the good old GoPro Hero 9 and the microphone out. I wanted to do a pointed driving video. It's been a while since I did one of these, and I had some thoughts on the 2022 Subaru WRX. Now that everything's kind of settled down, I wanted to give you guys my input on it. So what we got going on today, a big thing that happened over the weekend is I actually ended up getting married. So that's huge, right? Feels a little weird. I'm a husband, I have a wife. Bro, I'm not even like used to saying that yet. But yeah, not the point. The point is, today we're gonna be going over to Ryan's house. Ryan is the content director for Melee Design Firm, and he works for Melee Media. They reached out to me over the weekend and asked if I was willing to do a photo shoot so they can use it on their website. My car is equipped with the Melee 900 series, and they just needed a couple shots for it. So that is what we're gonna do today. I'm gonna get some coffee and then we'll get out of here. Put you guys on the GoPro, give you my thoughts on the 22 WRX. So let's do it. All right, guys, so we are finally on the road. It took me a little while to get the GoPro and everything like that set up. It's been a while since I've done one of these, and now I remember why I don't like doing it. It's just this GoPro settings, the hardware and everything like that. And so yeah, hopefully you guys have a good visual and hopefully you guys can hear me. Yes, I know I need to get this fixed. It started off like right here, but then it cracked all the way up here. I've just been lazy to get it fixed, and I don't know, I need to find someone who I trust. So if you have any recommendations in the Portland area on who can replace windshields, let me know and I will gladly reach out. So it's been a couple weeks since the release of the 2022 WRX, and I feel like now is a good time for me to give you my opinion on it. You know, it honestly got really annoying seeing everyone just bashing on it. It doesn't look that bad once you get it in the right angles. I'm pretty sure when the 15 plus WRXs came out, everyone said the same thing. Oh, it looks ugly. You know, my GD's the best. I will never own one of these, blah, blah, blah. Look how many people bought the 2015 WRXs. I mean, yeah, it had its issues, but every platform has its issues. And so back to what I was saying, it got kind of annoying just seeing everyone bashing on it. And I guarantee you half the people who talk crap about the car either can't afford it or can afford something that's a lot more than the WRX. So I don't know if there's a happy medium in that, but yeah, a lot of people hate it, say it's ugly, the fenders, blah, 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 the plastic, the back bumper and whatnot. But I guarantee you, as soon as companies such as OLM come out with some fender replacements, paint matched ones, then it'll change a lot of people's minds. I know you shouldn't have to do that from factory, but we did the same thing with our cars. We made it our own. I did see a Photoshop version of the WRX. It was lowered, it had some nice wheels, and I'm not gonna lie, it looked really good. So yeah, I mean, nothing from the factory comes 100%. You're not gonna like it when it first comes out. I mean, the 15 plus WRXs with the base wheels, it honestly didn't look the best either. So yeah, like I mentioned, a lot of people are bashing on the car, saying it looks ugly, and hearing those things just kind of, I don't know, made me like it a little more, to be honest with you guys. You know, a lot of people say the same thing about my wheels, the Method wheels, and how I'm trying to be a rally driver, and but I lowered my car. I don't know, man. Not the point. The point is that I've always been about making things your own and not doing it for anyone else. You know, if you like something, just go ahead and do it. If you have a WRX and you want to put an STI wing on it, go ahead and do it. There's literally nothing wrong with that. It's your car, they're not paying your car note, and so just have fun with it, you know. I love my wheels, my Method wheels, and eventually I'll get something else, but for now I love the way they look. And again, it's about doing what you love, don't do it for anybody else. That's my point that I'm trying to make, and I keep repeating it. And I need to repeat it more often just because people get sucked into the, you know, oh, don't do that, the boys don't like that. Well, the boys are not paying for your car. So, but for me, my first impression of the car was, yeah, the fenders really throw off the entire car, and the back bumper I haven't seen very many pictures of, but it doesn't look the best. But I do really like the fenders and how they come with the vents, the functional vents. I mean, I wish they could have been paint matched. It would have been a lot better. but I don't know if Subaru is trying to go towards more of the rally style and stuff like that, but that stuff is minor. It could be fixed. I did see pictures of the interior and it looked amazing with that new interface, and it looked great in there. I'm mainly excited for what new parts the companies out there, big companies out there, Perrin, Cobb, etc., will come out with for this new platform. And yeah, this is more of just my random thoughts video. It'll be unfair for me to do a pros and cons video of the car, obviously, just because I haven't had the opportunity to even see one in person, or to play with one. So my thoughts on it is it could use some improvements, but I'm really excited for the new FA24 motor that they have in these cars. From the factory, the specs are 271 horsepower with 258 foot-pounds of torque. For comparison, my car is at 303 wheel horsepower and 327 foot-pounds of torque. So yes, power-wise, it didn't go up much, the new WRX, I mean, but potential is there with that new FA24 motor. And that's what I'm mainly excited about, is that new motor. If you can get these cars up to 400 plus wheel horsepower with just a tune, then to me that's amazing. I'm sure people are wondering, would I ever trade my WRX for a new one? And I think my answer to that, at least right now, this point in my life, probably not, to be honest with you guys. I spent a lot of time, a lot of money on modifications on this car, and it's something I am honestly proud of. I did all the work myself, and this car, I like it the way it is. It's comfortable, it gets me where I need to, and I can have fun with it. And also, I started the channel with this car, and it has a little bit of sentimental value, in my opinion. So I think that's my answer to that. I don't think I'd do a trade-in for the new WRX. But there's always a but. That doesn't mean I won't consider getting one for the channel. If I can get one, mess with it, see how I like it. But if you ask me, would I ever get one in addition to this car, I think I'd have to say yes. I think it'd be a fun platform, and I want to see what all the fuss is about. But that's for in the future. And I honestly need a truck. I don't need another sedan. We have 3 of them at home. So the wife, oh man, it's still weird to say that. The wife is wanting an SUV and I'm wanting a truck. But yeah, the WRX is gonna stay. And if I wanted to add a car into the garage, I'm gonna need to figure out space and everything because I'm running out. So yeah, that's the answer to that. But yeah, I think I named off some of the things that I do like about it: the motor, the interior, but mainly the potential it has. It looks more mature, but I'm sure people like me will find ways to mess it up. So yeah, I don't really have that much more to say about the new WRX. To everyone bashing on it, I mean, come on. I'm pretty sure eventually once our cars blow up, then you'll probably get one. Don't get it twisted. But yeah, we're about 7 minutes away from Ryan's house. I think I'm gonna go ahead and wrap up the point of view driving video and actually focus on driving. Believe me, talking to this camera as you're trying to drive and get to your destination safely is not the easiest. It's probably another reason why I don't like doing this, and I feel like everyone's staring at my head just because this GoPro's literally on my forehead. And this is Ryan's Lamborghini build. Nah, it's his MR2, obviously, but he blew his motor recently, so he's trying to fix it. What's up, dude?
See ya.
You too, man.
Yeah.
Good. Check out my new mic, dude. One of those.
Oh, you got a little dual mic.
Yeah, dude.
So it doesn't matter what way it's facing.
Nope. How you been?
I'm doing well.
Fist bump.
For
See
the
that
camera.
ring?
Oh yeah! Congratulations.
Thanks,
brother.
man. Thanks, man. It feels weird.
Yeah, this is the broken car, man. It has the stock 1ZZ FE engine in it. It popped. It had like 188,000 miles on it. They consume oil like a lot. I don't think it was taken as great care of as it needed to be in its past life.
So you think it blew because it was low on oil?
It blew because it was low on oil, and we tried to drift missile it.
Oh, Jesus.
So Yeah, it wasn't too happy. But the reality of it was, if we didn't break it during that little event, I was gonna break it the very first time I tried to autocross the stock engine.
Oh, for sure.
So like, can you be that mad? No, because like it wasn't even me that broke it, but like it would have been.
I don't even want to know who broke it. It wasn't Mitch, was it?
No.
Okay.
No. But I mean, like, since we were gonna autocross the car and like see what it could do, it was gonna break that very first autocross.
Oh.
Like, if the 30 seconds of trying to drift this car broke it, the autocross would have broken it.
I mean, it's a good platform. It's light, so.
Yep, and everything's technically behind the rear axle, which is right here. So it's technically a mid-engine. And we're gonna put, eventually we're gonna K24 sport.
I was just gonna say that. I was gonna say K20, but yeah. Nice.
We're going K24. Like in my brief Google searches, the K24s have been like a little bit cheaper, and it has more displacement and more power. The weight difference isn't actually that large, so it'll be fun. It's my first engine swap. Like, this is the first time I've ever had a car look this torn apart.
Wait, are you gonna swap it yourself?
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm gonna try.
You're gonna buy a crane and everything, or you have access to one?
So how you do this is once everything's unbolted, you actually get a crane and you put the rear crash bar back on, which is currently off. You put that on and you tie straps to the rear crash bar and a couple bits of the frame here, and you actually lift the car, and the engine just stays put.
Oh, geez.
You take it out from the bottom.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah.
Damn, dude.
Yeah.
That's a cool car, man.
This thing is clean.
I mean, I told you I cleaned it.
God damn. Needs a polish.
Yeah. And paint correction.
Wow.
Yeah, if you guys are wondering, I met Ryan at a cruise. I was with Mitch heading over to Astoria.
Yeah, we went to Astoria.
And I saw him in his Fiesta ST.
No, angry little jelly bean.
So that's where we met, and then I was still at Melee at the time working with Mitch, and then he took my spot and I got fired.
No, that's not the spot.
I left on good terms.
This is my dealio right here.
Yep, there he goes.
This is the smallest the rig gets, which is actually great.
Any images you guys see on Melee site, blame this guy.
There's a high chance that they're mine.
Yeah.
Not all of them.
But yeah, I'm just here. They need photos for the website.
Yeah,
so.
we need some product photos of his little battery case. Not that I don't have them, I just need one that's installed. Have you seen the Overland kit that Mitch put a picture out of?
I haven't seen it. Well, okay, I did see a picture. I didn't know it was gonna be that big.
It's
Holy
large.
Crap!
Yeah. The latch is like massive. It's got this like cross design.
Wait, can I show this on the video? I can,
Yeah,
right?
it's public. Here, let me move it over here.
Bro, it's as big as a toolbox. Look at this.
So it comes with a bunch of different layers of foam because there's so many different batteries that fit in it, and they're all just a little bit different. But like these are all fake. These are just shells.
Okay.
But this is what it'll fit.
Holy crap! Oh my god.
So this one's a little bit taller, you can see, but there's a second version of this where the hinge has a 1-inch extension here, so it clears this.
So for all the Overland guys, like, dang, dude.
Yeah, and we have 2 real anti-gravity batteries. These guys are about, a full.
This is
piece.
real.
That's a real battery.
This is a real battery. Wait, what? 4 pounds or something?
3.
3 pounds. Look at this. It's a legit battery.
This is what was installed in the MR2.
It's 680 cranking amps. That's crazy, dude.
Yeah, and it has a built-in that little button that you're covering up with your hand here. If the battery dies, this button will jump the battery.
Oh my god.
Because you can't jump lithium cars, like with a traditional jump cable system.
Right.
So they have built-in.
This is a lithium battery.
Yeah, that's lithium.
Yeah, it's crazy how these guys started. No, I could say we. I can claim we started.
You can say we.
Me. We started with this size battery, and now they are on the big ones like this. That's crazy to see, man. A break from all the photos, but check this out. That's real carbon fiber. No, I'm just kidding. It's dipped, but it looks cool.
I don't know if a real carbon fiber one would really be worth it.
Nah,
the
not
weight
at all.
savings would be very minimal.
For the price, no way, dude.
Yeah.
But this is great.
But it's still like full functional. It's not dipped on the inside because how would you dip the inside?
Yeah.
This is an engine cap set for a Subaru.
Nice.
15 plus STI.
And it's aluminum, right?
Yep. They're the same caps as our other ones, just dipped. This is all for the hero section of the Melee Design Firm website.
Wait, I'm a hero?
You're the hero.
Dude, I'll take it.
To this point, and if you go to the live website right now, it has a slideshow in it. And we want to do away with the slideshow, and we just want to get like a really good like composite image that kind of tells you everything that we do in one shot.
And my car's gonna be on there.
It's gonna be this one.
Oh, dude, that's sick. So yeah, if you guys see this car, is my car. That's so cool, man. I guess the 40-minute drive out here was worth it, right? Before I go, let's check out your car if you have time. I know you're a busy guy.
It's messy. It's very messy. The engine bay is messy. All the dirt in here, all the messiness has been earned, first of all. Let's start at the front.
Oh, yeah, you weren't kidding.
It's bad.
Oh, that is dope.
But it's all rally dirt. It's from when we took the car wrecking up in the Gorman Ridge Rally.
And this is tuned, right?
Yeah, very lightly. Not much at all. The wheels are, I love the wheels. They're really lightweight. It gives me so much more room. So now like all of my camera gear just like slides out.
Seats are way better than the Subarus, I tell you that.
It's always a party in the Fiesta.
That's his sticker. No, this is cool, and the seats are amazing.
The Recaros are nice. I've been trying to keep them clean. The orange is really hard to keep clean.
It's an amazing car, and for the price, it's a good deal.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, man. I'll see you later. It's good to see you as always, man. Thanks, man. Good to see you, dude.
You too. Take care.
All right, so that was cool. We just wrapped up a little photo shoot of the battery mount for their website. I guess my car's gonna be featured in the hero section, which is really, really cool. And yeah, we have a lot of history together. We used to, at one point I worked with Ryan at Melee Design Firm. So, you know, I moved on, everyone's on good terms and stuff like that. And, you know, we're very good friends till this day. Yeah, I'm super excited to see the final photos on the website. I'll be sure to link it down below in the description whenever they're ready and live. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed my random thoughts on the 2022 WRX, as well as that little photo shoot back there. That's about it. I'm gonna go ahead and close out the video here. If you guys made it this far throughout the vlog, thank you so much for watching, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one.